You know that there are two different mechanisms by which X-rays are produced, one being the Bremsstrahlung X-rays and the other one is the characteristic X-rays. Now, why these X-rays are called characteristic radiation? The answer is because they are characteristic of the atoms in the target. कि आप target कौन सा choose कर रहे हैं? Why? Because the binding energy of the atomic shells depend upon the nuclear charge, that is the number of protons in the nucleus. A higher nuclear charge means that the electrons are more tightly bound to the nucleus and hence experience greater attraction. So if we compare aluminium, copper and tungsten, you will notice that the binding energies of the electrons in K and L shells for the tungsten is greater than that for the corresponding copper or aluminium targets. Also, you can observe how the energy gap increases rapidly as the nuclear charge increases. That's why high atomic number targets such as tungsten are used because they emit higher energy characteristic X-rays as compared to the lighter ones. Since characteristic X-rays are emitted when electronic transitions from higher to innermost energy levels take place, and as these energy gaps vary for different targets, the X-rays emitted become characteristic of the target used. The second point is that even if you select one target, let's say tungsten, then also these X-rays depend upon the shells between which the electronic transitions took place.